Imagine a life where financial freedom is your reality, where luxury is a standard, not a dream. This is the life of a millionaire. But what sets these individuals apart? How did they break free from the ordinary and ascend to extraordinary heights? The truth is, millionaires aren't born, they're made. It's a journey of grit, determination, and unwavering belief in oneself. The secrets to millionaire status lie in a few fundamental principles. Mindset. Millionaires think differently. They see opportunities where others see challenges. They believe in their ability to succeed. Financial literacy. Understanding money is the first step to managing it. Millionaires are financially savvy investors. Risk-taking. Calculated risks are essential. Millionaires step out of their comfort zones to seize opportunities. Hard work and dedication. There's no shortcut to success. Millionaires are relentless in their pursuit of goals. Continuous learning. The world is constantly evolving. Millionaires stay updated and acquire new skills. The path to millionaire status is not without obstacles. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity to grow stronger. You have the potential within you to become a millionaire. It's about unlocking your inner strength, setting audacious goals, and taking consistent action. Believe in yourself. Embrace challenges. Never give up. The millionaire within you is waiting to be unleashed. Are you ready to unlock your millionaire potential? The journey starts now.